Hello everyone. In today's video I'll be unboxing a new knife, the Victorinox Hunter XT. So let's see. I received this knife today only, so I'm also seeing this for the very first time. Okay, so here it is, the Victorinox Hunter XT, 111 millimeters with 3 layers. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I unboxed it. Let's see, first look. And here is the Victorinox Hunter XT. As you can see, it has two one-hand opening blades. Sorry for that. So as you can see, it has two one-hand opening blades, and as you can see, these are the gripping scales, these rubberized grips, so that your hand doesn't slip. Also provided is a lanyard, which usually does not come with any Victorinox knives. Now let's see what we have here first. This is the main blade, as you can see, and someone must have opened it and touched it. As you can see, a lot of fingerprints, dirty, it's a bit dirty. No, I ordered it from Amazon, brand new, but I don't know what happened. Then we have this saw. It is an excellent wood saw, very sharp, very fine teeth. Next we have the gutting blade. As you can see, it is a curved surface with a blunt tip, so that when you're gutting an animal or anything, it cuts the skin, cuts the muscles, but does not cut the gut, the intestine, the viscera. Now let's see. Oh yes, this is locking too, so that's a good thing. So basically it has two one-hand opening blades and two locking blades, and at the back we have the corkscrew, and that's about it. This is a really good model if you are a hunter or you regularly cut animal meat, but as for me, the cutting blade has no such use. I don't eat meat, so now let's see. Okay, so now you might have seen that the blade is slightly dirty. There are fingerprints and there was dust both on the handles and on the blade. So I'm gonna do a quick cutting test and see if it is sharp. Oh yeah, yep, it is sharp. It's quite sharp. Oh yeah. Let's see the cutting blade if it is sharp as well. It is sharp, but the design of the blade is such that it can't cut through this wavy loose paper, but yeah, quite sharp. So this is the Victorinox Hunter XT. I ordered it and just got it today. This is the first review. It doesn't have much features. It is made with a very singular purpose, and I have it as a collector, but other than that, this has very limited purpose. like and that's about it. That's about all the functions of the Victorinox Hunter XT. If you want to know anything else or you want to say something, feel free to tell me in the comments, and see you soon. Thank you.